Morning guys, so back on the job from yesterday. I left it reasonably early yesterday. I fell over on the decking, I'm sure you saw the video, and yeah, my back a bit sore, so just thought I'd call it a day then. But yeah, we're going to do this. Lots of grass, generally just tired looking concrete, so we're just going to give it a once over. No need for any chemicals today, I don't think. We'll probably just use reasonably high pressure. Customers obviously aware of any loose areas like this. It's been discussed, and anything like that I'm just going to sweep to one side and keep out of the way. I'll probably have to move these bricks, and I realised this morning when I got here there is actually a path hidden under all that, but it's tarmac, so I may or may not attack that because it looks kind of like it might break out or break up. But we're going to give it a go with the suction barrel again. I think I know what I did wrong yesterday. I think what it was that I had my hose attached, so when the pressure washer was suctioning or siphoning water from the barrel, it had nowhere to escape from because obviously it had the vacuum of the pressure. So even when I depressed the lance, only a small amount of water could escape, so there was never enough sort of power to actually get the suction through. So I think I need to leave the hose off and let the water run through and get rid of any air bubbles first, then attach the hose. So we'll try that and see how it goes. Alright, we'll get started. Sorted it then, so it was just me being an idiot with the hose on, so that's made me very happy. Now I can regulate the pressure properly, and yeah, don't have to worry about my pump being destroyed. So yeah, it was purely because I had the hose attached, creating a vacuum and not allowing enough pressure through. It would be like using block tuber, you know, there's no suction because there's nothing to escape out the other side. So I mean, even with the lance depressed, you know, you're not releasing enough flow to let the volume of water through to clear the pump and create enough suction. I think it's, yeah, a bit nerdy stuff, but yeah, physics, man. We're gonna get started.